Okay guys, so let me just show you what I'm looking at this Monday morning. Pink section is really starting to fill in. The red section, man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. It's getting really big. I just planted the orange section, so I'm not expecting much. I will walk down there. So guys, I finished the fountain yesterday. What I had to do, see the finial on the little bowl? I actually had to take that off. And what it is that there's a tube right there, and it goes all the way up into the middle bowl. And if you can see that little black tube up there, which you probably can't because of the sun, there's a connector on there. Now for whatever reason, instead of using one whole piece from the bottom to the top, they actually used more than one piece, and so it was like two pieces. I don't know if they didn't have a full length, so they used a smaller connector piece to put into the center to hold them together, and that's what came apart. So I fixed it, I clamped it with a flexible clamp. If it comes out again, I'm just going to replace the whole tube. So my mother was terrified that I was either going to, I think my mom's terrified that the fountain was going to fall on me. So, which I could totally understand, but I did it, I fixed it. I feel powerful, y'all. So let me come back over here. The poppies, the section of poppies right here is looking great. That one at the end is starting to open. I know I've often said, like, I'm not a foliage person. I'm all about, like, when it comes to gardening, I'm all about flowers. And I think this it gives you a good explanation in terms of why I feel that way. Because as you can see, yes, are there blooms on this plant? Yes, but what do you see mostly? It's like foliage with pops of color. So to me, I'm like, why put like plants in there that only have foliage when you're gonna get the foliage look anyway? So that's just my opinion on it. So that's why I always only plant things that have blooms on them. So this is the orange section. I love this confection marmalade. I only have one. It's fine because I'm not really doing the type of gardening that where you need to have 3 or 4 of something, you know, to get an effect. The orange section, I could tell. Oh, actually, some of these, like the snapdragons, have already put on some substantial height. So, and these, oh y'all, I think these are the peonies right here. Excuse me, the poppies. I put in some orange, some frosted salmon poppies, and that's it. Okay, they are definitely taking off, so that's good. So I think this section is going to be, I'm really interested to see what this section is going to look like. I'll be quite honest, orange is not my favorite color to decorate with or plant in my garden. I mean, I like peaches and softer oranges, but the bolder oranges, like for example that Echinacea, I'm kind of surprised that I actually like it because that's usually not the oranges that I go for. I know a lot of gardeners say that they find it difficult to design to put red in their garden. I don't. For me, red is easy. For me, the hardest thing is oranges. But we have an orange section here, so trying to get out of my comfort zone, people. So this is the first yellow section. I got the sunflowers in. I'm going to start some more. The yarrow is starting to pop. This is sorry about that. This is the Graham Thomas rose. It opened new blooms. This is probably, aside from teasing Georgia, I would say this is definitely my favorite yellow rose. You cannot beat it. I think of all the roses though, it has probably one of the best scents. So I planted all in here. Got a lot of hollyhock. This is where I stopped. I got to add some teucrium between these two hollies. And tonight I'm going to work on, I need to fertilize this. And then I'll put the mulch down. So I think the easier way for me to do it is I dump it in the back and then scoop it from there rather than doing what I was doing before, which was, yeah, scooping it from the front. That just took so much longer. So, and then I'll be ready to start the green section. So, slowly but surely, guys, slowly but surely. So, that's it for right now. I'm gonna go inside. I gotta do some work. I don't know how that color ended up in here. It's supposed to be amazing gray. Don't know what happened. I'll make sure I pull that one, so because I do not want those seeds in this section. Oh, you know what, guys? That chrysanthemum right there is getting ready to open, and I really should have pinched it back. You know what? I'll let it blossom, and then I'll cut it back. I don't know. Maybe I'll get another set of blooms. But now is the time you're supposed to pinch back your chrysanthemums. And so I think that's the black swan peony. It doesn't look like the picture though. But anyway. Oh, that's opened. And that Hairy Bastos peony looks like it's going to open soon. Fell over because it was so heavy. So anyway, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys later on today. Okay, guys, so this morning I did not do any planting. I decided instead to cut my lawn. Saturday I was at the flower show, so I didn't get to do it. I didn't do the edging part of it. I'll try to do that tonight because I use my push mower for that. But I was actually really surprised. I didn't think I was going to be able to get it, the main part of it done in an hour. This is all the section I have left to do. I couldn't really get close with the riding mower. But yeah, I actually put it on speed 4 and I took it down. And so yeah, I just was cruising around the yard. I wanted to make sure I cut it and not go 2 weeks because we're supposed to be getting several days of rain, and that makes the grass like really high, and then it's a real mess when I try to cut it. This, in case you guys are wondering, is a sycamore tree, and so it provides a lot of shade. The canopy is huge, and as you can see in the backyard, there's another one. So that does help with keeping some things cool. So tonight, after my video deposition, I'm going to try to do the yellow section. But right now, I got to go run into my office. And actually, you know what? I think I might run the string lights right quick before I go to the office, so that way it will light up at night. Hey guys, so this is Brooke, and I'm trying to do this at night. So I thought that you guys might like to see all the string lights I did. I need to get some more solar lights out here, so it'll be a little bit more lit up. Meanwhile, I'm out here with 2 different flashlights, so you guys can see. So I added another set of string lights. So this morning, this is the yellow section that I did this morning, and then starting right there, this is the section that I did tonight, and down to that holly down there, okay? And so I forgot that I had planted more germander, so I took care of that. So I got them planted and all watered in, and so I think it looks really nice. And so tomorrow I'll do a better shot in the day time, but right now that's it, y'all. So we go back inside. It's hot, very hot, which is why I'm out this late at night, and with that fountain's all nice and lit up. I'm gonna get some more solar spotlights because I want this to be a little bit brighter. I'll add 4 more. So guys, this is Brooke, the Vintage Gardener, signing off on Monday, June 7th.